Hey guys, this is the FOF. I'm going to show you how to change a cabin air filter in an Echo. All Echoes are basically the same thing. It's the same thing, same deal. What I recommend you do is you shop around a little bit and get yourself the cheapest price. Now the cheapest price that I found with a reputable company would have to be Amazon. The thing is you have to pay for shipping handling when you're paying 21 bucks. So what I recommend you do is you buy something else with it, maybe a couple of CDs that you really wanted already, and then that's it. Okay guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, this will take about 3, 4, 5 minutes depending on how good you are. First things first is you want to take everything out of your glove compartment because you will be taking that glove compartment out. Let's go take out all the stuff, insurance papers, Coolio, CDs, Snoop Dogg, whatever. I'm going to take everything out of here. I got a lot of stuff in here. Alright then. There we go. Alright, so now that we've done that, what you want to do is you want to take out the glove compartment because behind the glove compartment will be your cabin air filter area. Okay? So all you do is you go squeeze in both sides and then pull it down. And notice how it kind of anchors on those two. That's when it comes off. It comes off and then you take it out. And there you have that space. Okay guys. And the next thing you want to do is there's some clips in here. Do you see the clips, Nate? Mm-hmm. Okay. What you do is you kind of pull like that. Kind of take it out nicely. As you can see, it's fairly dusty around there. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace it with a new one. So, like I said, it's pretty dusty, but if it's not that dusty, you can just put it back in. Okay? Now let's replace this one. Okay, what you want to do now is you want to take the old one out, just kind of slip it out like that. As you can see, it's quite dirty. And you want to put this one, the replacement one, in just how the other one was taken out. So you kind of go like this, kind of snap, whoops, kind of want to snap it in right there. Push it down, and it should be nice and flush now. Now here's the trickiest part, is putting it back in, because you don't want to hit this. So here you go guys. So what you do is you just kind of put it on in an angle, put it in, watch out for this, and you let it click it in, there you go, you're done. So here's the thing, here's what you have to do last. This is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure that you put this back in, so you make sure these click in with that. So go nicely like that, and you squeeze in, push down, everything's good, you're done. Hey guys, that's how you change the cabin air filter for 2005 Echo or any kind of Echo. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, or if you want to subscribe, do that right now, okay? Thanks guys for watching.